What is a bug bounty?
It's basically a program where people can look for exploits in a certain software or something provided by a manufacturer. So, like a company can offer a bug bounty. So, basically, anyone can look for problems in their product, and if they disclose it, they get rewarded.
Yeah. So that's the way that it's supposed to work. And Apple has
Hmm.
been notoriously bad about running bug bounty programs. So this is a little story about why so many people have just gotten fed up with contributing security problems to Apple.
Hmm.
You might get paid, but then they might also just sit on it and not take care of it for an extended period of time. And as somebody who's trying
Hmm.
to make this product better or protect people from a very serious problem, this is often like one of the worst case scenarios. And typically you see like, like broke vendors that like are barely managing to keep their operation afloat be the ones who are, not applying patches or not prioritizing big security problems. But you can imagine like when you have a company as profitable as Apple, how frustrating it is for people who are trying to make that product better to not hear back for an extended period of time or never have the thing that they reported actually fixed. So this was retweeted by my friend Patrick Wardle, who is one of the foremost like security researchers into Apple products. So if he's complaining about this, then it's probably pretty bad. So again, they oh yeah, look at this. He's even quoted in this. According to the formal employee and current employee and who spoke on the condition of anonymity because of an NDA. Okay, oh, never mind. Patrick, I wonder if Patrick's quoted in here. Yep, knew it. He's always
Nice.
quoted in every article. So yeah, Patrick Wordle, an expert in Mac security. Wow. Said in a blog post that the vulnerability put Mac users at grave risk. Yeah, I just knew he was going to be quoted on this. But anyway, yeah. So people who contribute to Apple are often frustrated by this process, or sometimes the patches themselves are just hilarious. Like Patrick has documented a number of different times when Apple has applied a patch that fixes, like, puts a cosmetic fix on the problem, but doesn't actually fix the underlying like logical issue, so that it can trivially still be exploited just by changing a path or some other small variable that gets around the cosmetic change. So these are the sorts of things that a lot of people who have been contributing bug bounties to Apple for a long time have complained about. But if you want to see kind of what the issues are and the problems with getting some of these fixes to iOS or Mac devices, you can check it out in this article because it was it was pretty good.
It's interesting to see that they're just like complacent about these security fixes, but they still reward the people who found them instead of actually doing anything about it.
Yeah,
It's
well, I
just really
mean,
dumb.
some of this also could be seen as like a PR effort because
Hmm.
if you have things that, are vulnerabilities or problems and you just want to get them, you just want to make sure that you control the narrative around them, buying them basically, or
Hmm.
like giving yourself time to like not have it come out to the press. Like there's a relationship between security researchers and the company during responsible disclosure where they're supposed to give the company a reasonable amount of time to fix it. But in the event that the company is actually just running out the clock and isn't fixing it at all and waiting till the last minute, then it makes it so there's effectively a blackout period where you can't discuss your findings or your work
Hmm.
because other users might be affected. So it's kind of frustrating for researchers to like have all this work they've done, maybe discover something really novel or something really incredible, and then be banned from talking about it for an extended period of time
With a bribe.
because yeah, because it's still vulnerable.
Yeah.
And that's really the worst. If the company like tells you not to talk about it, then like okay, whatever. But if it's because like they just haven't even fixed it, that's still it means that everybody is still vulnerable to that thing, and that there really is a problem there that needs to be fixed.